Hi, here's a quick video just to show you what I've been up to. What I've done, I've installed a fuse board for my fishing boats, a Orkney 16 plus strike liner, and I got my multi-saw, and I cut out the back of this fiberglass housing for the steering console, and I widened the fuse board. What I did is got a bit of a cheat actually. I got an old power pack for a computer which has got loads of lovely wire, which is the right gauge for this sort of thing, for cars and boats, and a lot of different colours. So what I did, I cut a load of different colour wires and I soldered them to the back of the fuse board, and I brought them out, extended them. That way I could connect the fuse board and fix it in properly. If you notice, I did pop rivet this one because I don't want too many nuts at the back and sharp edges, and plus it looks neater as well. And with the wires out here, I shouldn't have to take it out anyway. If I do, I can just drill out the rivets, so they're only aluminium anyway. But this is the solar panel I've got, controller. It was, I think it was about £29 off eBay. No, sorry, £19 off eBay. And you got the two connections there which go for the solar panel on the roof. I'll show you in a minute. And you got two, I used household wire in this. Some people are going to say I shouldn't have done, but it's 2.5 cable, and that runs from there directly to the battery. And you've got the two extra terminals there if you want to put a load on there, i.e. a stereo or an auxiliary battery, which will come on once the battery is showing full power. It will close off the charging so it doesn't overload it, and then it will charge or power an auxiliary if you want to. You've got two USB cables there for charging phones or iPads or whatever, and you've got two DC outputs there as well you can use. Now I've got that, what I did just to show you, I've got an LED strip there which just to wire up, show you that the fuse board's working. The fuse board, again, I took another 2.5 cable, household. Again, it might be wrong, it might be right, who knows, but it's good enough what I want it for. And I took the live direct power to the back of the fuse board. I took this to the battery isolator down at the back by the engine. Now I want that switched, so when I turn the battery isolator off, it will disconnect this fuse box here. And the neutral, the negative, what I did, I just bought that from the battery, and you can get a neutral block if you want, but what I'm going to do is just put eyelets on there, and I'm just going to keep adding them when I connect things onto this bolt. So it's, you know, it's going to be tucked out the way, so it doesn't really matter to be honest. Otherwise it's going to have a load of connections everywhere. So that's that, and I'll give you a quick show of what I've done on the top. There's a solar panel I bought, again off eBay. I think that was it's about £29. It was 20 watt, and it's aluminium casing, and a couple of brackets I got from Screwfix. I think it's about £10 for about 10 brackets. They're zinc plated. Not brilliant for salt air, but I'm sure it'll be long enough what I want it for. So pop rivet that on there, screwed and bolted the bottom of it, and I've got a searchlight as well, an LED one, which again bought off eBay. And I've got LED marker lights, which again off eBay, probably from China. It's about £2.50. I've got green on this side and a red the other side. So I've got them to wire in, and I've got a few other bits and pieces need to wire in. I want to put a feed in for my fish finder and marine radio, and also I've got an anchor light which I want to wire up as well, or marker light which I'm going to put here. So that is, I'll show you actually. Again, it's a bit of a cheat. It's a truck marker light, which again I got off eBay. I think it was about £2.50 from Bulgaria, which took about a week to come. But again, it's waterproof. It's there it is. It's robust. I'll show you actually. I'll plug it in. You've got this DC output there, which works, and that's direct off the solar panel. So not very sunny, but again, that's like heavy duty rubber. I'm going to fix it on the back, and for £2.50. Alright, it might not match the maritime code or whatever, but at least I'll be seen, and it's good enough for me. So again, it's another cheap way out of it. Okay, I'll get back to you. I'll give you a shot when it's finished and the wires are tidied up, and also I'll show you at night when it's all illuminated. You'll be able to see for yourself.